Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use electronic stability control. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, you need to use the home screen to find here the icon of the car settings. So let me tap this blue icon right here. Then from the left tab, let's choose the fourth option, which is the vehicle settings. Here you've got tab with easy driving. As you can see, this function right here, ESC Off, is the function for electronic stability control. ESC helps prevent skidding or losing control in sharp turns. You should only turn this off if you are stuck in deep snow or mud and need the wheels to spin to gain traction. Otherwise, keep it on for safety. So, if you would like to keep it on, you need to, as you can see here, you've got the warning. You need to have this toggle disabled, and right now you are using the ESC, the electronic stability control. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.